Alrighty, hi everybody, my name is Megan. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel, welcome back. I'm gonna try to keep this intro short and sweet because I am really good at just rambling and rambling and rambling. I look like a disaster. It's because it's after midnight. Thriving. Long story short, I am moving in just under 2 weeks. I'm leaving for college. I ended up back at home for a little bit, but I am going back out to, or like moving away again for college. And my room is a disaster. I did start to kind of film a clean with me the other day, but I didn't really want to deal with my closet, and so my room was just kind of like, oh, like done in not too long. So I figured this time we would hit my oh, that's my phone. Okay, hit my closet as well as my room. My room's like not great, but like it's okay. My closet's a freaking disaster. So yeah, it is after midnight, like I said. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump on in. Okay, so this is what my bedroom looks like. This part I'm probably not really gonna touch because those are just some jackets that I'm taking with me, and then those are my pillows that were over there, but they just ended up over here. This is like okay. I have a little bit of trash right there. That is a Christmas gift because tomorrow's Christmas Eve, or I guess technically today since it's after midnight. This is some clean laundry. Couch is fine. Bed's a bit of a mess, but like that's fine. I want to mention most of this, like I didn't sleep with it like this, obviously, you know, this happened during the day. My desk is over here. It's a little bit of a disaster, and then I have like a box here. I have a pair of leggings right there. This has some dirty laundry in it. The bottom box has some clothes I want to fill the hall with. Top box is empty, so you know, great. This is where it gets real fun. We're gonna walk into the closet, and it's an absolute disaster. Most of this is like, this stuff is clean. A lot of like this stuff down here is dirty, but it's like in sections because it is. These are clean, but yeah, this is what we're dealing with. So let's go ahead and jump on in. Alrighty, hello again. I hate the way I look and I'm gonna regret this while I'm editing, but oh wow. Let's see, it is currently 1:11 in the morning. I don't know if you can tell, but it says 1:11. Merry Christmas Eve. I know this isn't going up for like a couple months. I am pre-filming a lot since I am moving. So I'm filming this on Christmas Eve, but I don't think it's gonna go up until like March. Who knows? But for the most part I'm finished. I need to like vacuum and fold the last of my clothes that I just took downstairs, but I'm not gonna do that tonight, partially because it's 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm not gonna run a vacuum at 1 o'clock in the morning. You know, people are sleeping. And obviously like my clothes aren't finished yet. So in the meantime, let's go ahead and take a look and see what we have going on. So this is the current state of my closet. Those are my mom's Christmas gifts, so that's staying out because Christmas is tomorrow. Those are that's like my gear for like playing that I need to wash and pack because I have to take it with me. I just hung up everything that was over here. Obviously, you know, that's not all, but there's a handful of things. Down here, I have a lot of the stuff that I am taking with me that I just don't really have a spot to put it yet, because it doesn't belong here. It belongs in Kansas when I move, so that's kind of what that area is. With the exception of like one pair of shoes, I think maybe... No, I think that's everything. I don't know. I think that's everything, but all my shoes are put away. And then coming in here, again, that's the box of clothes I need to film for my haul. Those are the blankets that I folded. Those actually go in the back of my car, so I'm putting those there so that way I can take them down tomorrow. But other than that, let's stand back over here where that original angle was. We are looking much better. Obviously over there I have a bunch of trash, but I don't want to go outside right now. It's cold, so that's staying over there for the time being, and I'll take that out tomorrow. Again, this is just like some coats and stuff that I am going to take with me that I don't have room in my closet, but I'm leaving in like literally a week, so there's no point in me trying to store it for the meantime, so they're just going to go there. That is out because my laptop likes to overheat, and so that has a fan to kind of help cool it. But other than that, this is it. That towel is there because my cat leaves cat fur everywhere, so that is where he knows he's allowed to be on my bed. But yeah, my desk is over here. That's a package I'm shipping out tomorrow. And there it all is. So again, here's just another little overview. I'll stand back over here again, I guess. So it definitely, if you want to focus, please, that'd be great. There we go. It definitely looks a lot better. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, I'd appreciate if you gave it a thumbs up down below. Left a comment if you feel inclined to do so. If you want to see more of me in the future, I'm not sure why you would, but hey, to each their own, I'm not going to judge you. Go ahead and subscribe as well. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, night, wherever you are. Again, I'm filming this like Christmas Eve, so hope you had a Merry Christmas if you celebrate Christmas. Otherwise, hope you had a great Thursday and Friday. But this is like, it's probably going up in March, so. Alright, have a good one, guys. I'll see you next time.